Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Personalopedia, a platform to groom personality. This is Pallavi Kesavani and I am here to help you all in grooming your personality. Yes, you heard it right. I will be helping you in grooming your personality. So people, as you all know, 21st century is going on, and in this 21st century it is very important to be known by the people. And if you want that people should know you, people should consider you, what you need to do, you need to groom up your personality. And to level up your personality, you need to follow some tips, and the tips I am going to share in this video. Yes, you heard it right. So from today I am going to make some videos in which I will be helping you to groom up your personality, and also I will I will give you some tips related to the career, related to your professional life, personal life, by which you can achieve success in your life. Yes, and if you want to know such kind of tips, first of all, please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends so that they can also get some help from the tips which you are getting. Okay, so let's begin. So the first tip which we should follow is to love yourself. Yes, it is very important to love yourself. Once you start loving yourself, people will also love you. If you do not love yourself, nobody is going to consider you. So never ever discourage yourself. Never ever demotivate yourself. Try to get motivation inside you. If you are motivating yourself, nobody in this world can beat you. Yes. So whatever achievements you are getting, whatever efforts you are putting, never ever discourage yourself. Always try to get it always try to show up to people around you. Always try to tell them, and if you tell them, what will happen, they will think about you. They will consider you. Okay, this person is doing this person has this much capacity, this much ability, and if you are showing it, then only people are going to consider you. So that was the basic thing to and the basic thing was to love yourself. Okay, now let's move towards the second tip, and the second tip is to own your interactional skills. Yes, interactional skills means communication skills. So nowadays it is very important to interact with people, to communicate with people. If you communicate instead of sitting alone, if you communicate, if you interact with people, so what will happen, that people will think about you. Okay, they will think in a positive manner about you. Okay, so it is very important. And to gain up this personality, to build up this personality, you can do it just by sitting at your home. What you need to do, start talking with your friends, start talking with your relative, make a very good bond with your relatives, with your cousins, with your siblings and all. If you do this, believe me, you are going to sit in everybody's heart. You are going to be loved by everyone. They all will talk about you, they all will think about you. So this is something which is also very important. Get to interact, to build up your interactional skills. And there are many people who have a phobia, who have a fear to talk in front of people. And do you know what do we call this phobia? This phobia is known as agoraphobia. Agoraphobia means a fear which is inside me or inside us to speak in front of public. And believe me people, it is very important to remove this phobia, to remove this fear inside you. If you want to get success, if you want to get achievements in your life, so start removing hesitation inside you. Okay, let's move towards the third tip, which is to have a perpetuate smile on your face. Yes, and that is very important and very simple. See, if you are having a cute smile on your face, people will not hesitate to talk to you. They are going to get attracted towards you. Like for example, if you are working in any company, okay, and in that company, if you are talking with your colleagues, with your friends, with with a polite manner, with a positive manner, they will not think so many times before talking with you. So try to have a perpetuate smile on your face, a cute smile. For example, if your face is like, if like always your face is like this, or simple, like simple facial expression, so what will happen, people will think, I should go and talk to that person or not. Maybe he will feel good or bad, I don't know, he will get angry on me, or what will happen. And if you have a smile on your face, believe me, if a person who is angry, that person will also talk to you with a smile, and that person will will forget the reason of anger which he had. Okay, yes, so that was the very important tip. Now let's move towards the fourth one, which is use of golden words. Yes, golden words. For example, please, thank you, sorry, excuse me, and many more. But here we'll talk about three basic golden words, which are sorry, thank you, and please. So all, like whenever if you are doing any mistake, like if just by mistake you did a mistake, so what you need to do, you can simply say sorry, you can simply apologize. Nobody is going to, like if you think that no, I am, like if you have attitude of not saying sorry, not apologizing for any silly mistake also, then it will give a negative impression for the future. Okay, so whatever mistakes, if you did any mistake, if you think that I am responsible for this problem, try to apologize from your side, use the word sorry. Okay, and for example, the second golden word which I told you is please, and which is also very important. Like for example, if you want a glass of water, okay, I'll give you two examples. One is give me a glass of water, or please give me a glass of water. Which one is better? Obviously, please give me a glass of water, because here the person will think that you are so polite towards him. You are not ordering him, you are requesting him. Okay, so this politeness, this sense of request will give a positive impression, will leave a positive impression. Okay, so this is the second one. Now the third golden word which I told you was golden word. So the third golden word was thank you. Yes, if people are helping you, if people are helping you even for small things, so what goes by saying thank you? Say a proper thank you, say a small thank you. They will help you in future also. And if you don't say thank you, if you do not acknowledge their effort which they have done towards you, they are not going to help you in the future. They will think, fine, I helped him this time, let's not help him in the next time. This time it's fine, leave him. Okay, so that is why it is very important to say small thank you also. That will be good. So these were the three basic golden words which can also help us in grooming our personality. Okay, now let's move towards the last but not the least. The fifth tip which I am going to share is also the most important, and that is to appreciate people around you. Yes, people start appreciating, you can say that if somebody has done good job, what goes of your father to say, just to appreciate, just to say that wow, you did a wonderful job. Nothing will go of your father, nothing will go of your family. Instead, in return, you are going to get you will get some positive impression only. Okay, so always try to appreciate people around you. This was the fifth and last step, but not the least tip which I have given you. So let's meet in the next video. I will be giving you some more tips. So people, please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends so that they can also get these tips.